messages throughout your body and powering all of your thoughts and actions. Neurons talk to each other using both electrical and chemical signals. Messages start as electrical signals traveling rapidly down a neuron. These signals are called action potentials. When they reach the gap between two neurons, the messages need some help to get across. The information is transformed from an action potential into a chemical message, which crosses the gap called a synapse. The release of those chemical messengers can trigger an action potential in the neuron on the other side of the synapse, conveying the message onward. Or it can quiet the message. This happens over and over and over. And with repeated activity, the synapse gets stronger, so the next message is more likely to get through. That way, neurons learn to pass on important messages and ignore the rest.
The hindbrain consists of the cerebellum and medulla, and it sits underneath the back end of the cerebrum. The cerebellum is responsible for balance, movements, and coordination. The cerebellum means little brain in Latin. The pons and the medulla, along with the midbrain, are often called the brainstem. It sends out and coordinates all of the brain's messages. It also controls other automatic bodily functions like breathing, heart rate, blood pressure, swallowing, digestion, and blinking of the eyes. The different centers of the brain help us to form different activities. The cerebrum helps us in movements of our body. Involuntary actions like the heartbeat, breathing, and swallowing are controlled with the help of the medulla.
I usually have no idea what your grandma is talking about because she speaks Spanish, but I understand English completely.
Lobe. Brainstem! Hippocampus, neural node, right hemisphere. Pons and cortex, visual. Brainstem! Sylvian Fisher, pineal, left hemisphere. Cerebellum left, cerebellum right. Synapse, hypothalamus, striatum, dendrite. Axon fibers, matter gray. Brainstem! Central tegmental pathway, temporal lobe. White core matter, forebrain skull. Brainstem! Central fissure, cord spinal, parietal. Diameter, meningeal vein, medulla oblongata and lobe limbic. Microelectrodes. The brain.